Have you blocked someone on LinkedIn but changed your mind? Whether it's a mistake or you're ready to reconnect, unblocking is super easy. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to do it and why it can actually be beneficial. Let's dive in. First, go to your LinkedIn settings where you can find on the upper left corner, click your picture, and below you will see your settings. Find visibility in the left hand menu and click it. Scroll down below and you'll see blocking option. Click it and here you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked. Scroll through the list of people you've recently blocked and locate their name. Hit unblock next to their name and LinkedIn will ask for confirmation by entering your password. This person is now unblocked, but keep in mind you'll need to send them a new connection request if you were connected before. Sometimes we block people in the heat of the moment, but opportunities can come from unexpected places. If a professional connection is valuable again, maybe a recruiter, former colleague, or industry peer, unblocking can help rebuild professional relationships. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock someone in just a few clicks. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.